Welcome to my garden transformation project. Switzerland has a thriving garden industry worth over 3.8 billion Swiss francs. With thousands of gardeners and landscapers shaping the country's green space. Gardens here are not just for beauty, they are a way of life. For the Swiss, gardens are peaceful retreats, sustainable spaces, and even sources of food. Today, I am getting help from a local gardener to tackle this overgrown lawn and bring some Swiss gardening magic to life.
Welcome to my channel Ettingen. Today we are going to cover, what are we going to cover? Today we are going to cover some topic on gardening. I don't know much about gardening, but we have some gardener who has come to do some work. So we can just try to follow what he is trying to do. I can show you already he has done some work, but you may be wondering why I'm wearing this. He's doing some work with some machines and it is quite risky to go and stand next to it. So it's better to protect your head and especially your eyes. They're very important. What's your name? Your name?
Paula.
Paula?
Yeah.
Paula, you're from Frankreich, right? Okay. And how much work is finished?
No.
Very little work is finished. It's not fatigue. Yeah. No. It's more work. More work.
Then is noch in Rasenmäher.
Rasenmäher. We cut the Rasenmäher. Okay, good.
Kann ich jetzt machen, wenn Sie wollen.
Okay, good. So you do learn in the garden work? Is it you study garden work?
Ja.
Yeah. Okay, good. You like it? Huh?
Ja, no Problem.
No problem.
Wir müssen arbeiten im Regen, Sonne und Wenn's.
Deine Unternehmen Name ist Philipp Brom Gartenbau.
Ich arbeite für Philipp Brom.
Okay. So wie viel Erfahrung, Experience you have?
6 Jahre.
6 Jahre.
Ja.
Okay.
6 Jahre.
Wie alt?
Ich?
Ja, ich.
29 Jahre alt. 29.
Okay. Me 45.
Ah, okay. Ein bisschen mehr. Ein bisschen mehr.
Mark says his job changes with the seasons. In summer, it's mowing and weeding. In winter, it's pruning trees, working in vineyards, or even snow removal. Living in France keeps his costs down, while working in Switzerland gives him stability. For many cross-border workers like Mark, it's a win-win. And as the industry grows, with more people prioritizing green living, landscaping jobs are among the fastest growing skilled trades in the country. The grass stands tall, wild, untamed, like nature claiming back its space. But here comes the rhythm of change, blades spinning, carving through the chaos. Each pass of the mower is like a brushstroke on a green canvas. It's not just about cutting, it's about restoring balance, revealing the ground beneath. You can hear it, the hum of order returning. What was once neglected now breathes again. This is the beginning of a garden rebirth. The war against weeds is quiet but relentless. They grow between creeks, on walls, even above our heads. This carport roof, once forgotten, is now overrun by the stubborn green invaders. But no corner is too high, no patch too small. Every weed has to go. With hands, tools, and sheer patience, the gardener clears the mess. Debris is swept, moss is scrapped, roots are pulled. You see sweat, but also precision. Up here, the work is harder. The balance more delicate. It's not just cleaning, it's reclaiming space from nature's grip. And with every handful removed, the roof breathes freely once more.
He's working quite some time in the hot sun, so let me offer some drink. I have some iced tea.
Oh, gern, das ist sehr gut.
It's sehr heiß.
Ja, merci vielmals.
So deine family is here in Frankreich?
Ja.
Okay.
Ja.
Okay. So you're verheiratet?
Wie?
You're single or
Ja.
married?
Ja. Nein, Single.
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 Good.
Leider.
Enjoying life.
Ja, besser, ja.
Better. Okay, good. So in this Arbeit you get good money or?
Ja, ich kann nicht sagen, dass ich nicht Geld habe, aber nein, wir verdienen gut.
Okay.
Und wir sind immer draußen zum Arbeiten. Dann ist ganz gut. Ja.
Ganz gut.
Wenn es schönes Wetter ist, sind wir draußen. Aber wenn es Flachwetter ist.
The trimming is done, the deweeding is done, but the job isn't over. Now begins the quiet choreography of cleanup. Each rake gathers what was left behind. Stray blades, fallen twigs, fragments of a wild path. With a gentle push and pull, order takes shape. And then comes the wind, not from nature, but from the blower's force. Dust, leaves, and silence scatter. Every surface is swept clean. Pads, cashews, and hidden corners. It's in these finishing touches that the transformation truly shines. From chaos to clarity, the garden breathes again. What looks like waste is actually the beginning of renewal. In Switzerland, green waste rarely goes to landfill. It's carefully collected, sorted, and brought to local compositing centers, like the one in Ettingen. Here, nature meets science. Branches, leaves, and clippings are transformed into rich, fertile compost. No chemicals, no shortcuts, just time, heat, and microbes doing their quiet work. This is the Swiss way. Clean, sustainable, efficient. The same grass that once overgrew your garden might soon nourish a new one. A full circle, from life to decay to life again.
And then we have some feather bordered grass. Now it grows like a feather. And then we have another plant which grows flowers like a butterfly. I don't know the exact name, but the flowers resembles like a butterfly. It has already blossomed and all the flowers have withered. You can see the flowers from in the close quarter. They are beautiful, but they're already dried up.